Vasisthasana and Visvamitra precise tutorial. Both of them are very good strengthening asanas. Let's start from plank position. Come to your side. See that the feet are very strong. They are flexing and you are at the outer edge of your feet, and see that the ankle is lifted. The legs are strong and straight. Activate the back of the leg, and as our weakest link is the hip, lift up the hip as well. Insert deeply the spine inside the body and see that you use the shoulder bundles, shoulders away from the ears, and hands are perpendicular to the floor. Now let's continue with the modification. The easiest modification starts with Parigasana legs, and from there lean to the side, place your hands on the mat, and just leave the other leg straight. So you're supporting yourself in one leg. This also can be a challenging exercise for senior people or beginner people. You can also make a loop and further open the psoas muscle. Or you can do here variations as well with leg circling and other variation. Another modification, if you place the upper leg behind the other knee, the back of the knee, and here it's very important that the feet, you should be completely on your feet and on your heel. The calf should be perpendicular to the floor completely. You can easily lift up the supporting leg if you wish. Or you can strengthen both legs. Or you can place the upper leg to the front, but see that you're grounding yourself with your feet as well. Don't forget to lift the hips high. And last modification, where you are on your forearm, and here as well, you can do modification with the legs as well. So these are the easier version. Now let's see the most challenging version, where you come to Vasisthasana, and from Vasisthasana you can lift one leg up and you can keep it for 6-8 breaths. Or you can do 3 poses in this position, or you can grab your big toe and raise the leg up high, both legs straight, closing 90 degrees. What's important, that should engage all the bandhas, there should be power in your body, in your joints, and lift the hip as high as possible. And there is other fun variation. You can do Kamatkara asana, or you can do a reverse triangle here. And both of them make stronger the body. It gives the body a great strength, and also they make stronger the joints as well. What's important that you should do the asanas on both sides and keep it for a few breaths and breathe continuously and feel as the connective tissues inside are strengthening as well. Now let's continue with Visvamitra, which is a quite challenging asana only for advanced practitioners. Start from Virabhadrasana 2, tilt to the side, make a loop, and see that there is no space between the thighs and the ribs. There should be power and stability and elasticity in your body. Then slowly place the back knee to your upper arm and start to stretch your leg. See that you have all the way stability and you feel comfortable in the position.